Prank 'em, John. Look at this thing.
Z06 be better.
Where are we going today, Maddox?
I reckon to the Martin compound.
To the Martin compound?
To the Martin compound, baby.
Let's go. Trying to find some moisture. No rain for like 6 or 9 days, and
no, it's been at least 3 weeks.
like 6 or 9 weeks, you say? I'm just trying to find some moisture here. Do a little bit of riding today.
Lose all of these bricks out of the trailer.
It's gonna be good.
You know,
see, look, there's a freaking dust devil right there.
It's bad. I mean, it's in the truck.
Yeah, I know. Here, get us a shot of the wheels down there.
I mean, it's been a week, dude. I mean,
I washed my truck yesterday.
those are supposed to be chrome.
Get a shot of mine. I washed mine yesterday.
So we washed this truck yesterday. Oh, this is bad. This is a bad angle on this side.
Look at that. Look at those wheels.
Already
Washed
toasted.
them yesterday.
Yeah, you're not gonna be looking too good by the end of the week.
No. Looking rough, dog.
Got some wood in the truck the other day. Still haven't cleaned out from the beach trip. Nice. We need a tripod, dude.
It's going swell.
Alright, that's good. It's good.
Sure.
Is it good?
We're good.
It's good. That's not going anywhere. You gotta say it. Look, you got the Dunlops hooking up on the gate. Lit.
Yeah, it's a little tight.
Sorry, that's pretty good. All right, let's grab gear.
Hey,
Get
you
freaked out of
dropped
here.
your butt.
Oh, welcome to the pit. It is sandy, boys. Lit dog, lit dog. Yeah, park over here, I guess. On the side. Lit dog. Well, this ought to be fun. Just absolute zero moisture. Yeah, just chill right here.
Okay.
Lit. Oh, frick, the cops are here. Think so. All right, let's go check it out. You asking there just in case? Lit dog.
I need my wallet.
I don't have to go back.
Y'all sent that one big.
Yeah, that was a little
Oh my goodness, I want one. Which one are you taking, the Cowie or the Honda?
Oh man, I don't know. Honda's smoother. Like,
yeah, the power comes on easier. Yeah.
Smoother. But I don't know, I've always been a Cowie guy.
Yeah.
I like the Cowie.
Yeah, it is bad. I freaking love that bike. We're good?
Yeah.
Price, are they gonna come out here real quick?
Yeah, they are. They're gonna
Wait.
They're gonna come by after me, so. There.
Good day with the boys. Tried out the CFMOTO. It's pretty fast. Maybe next video we'll get a shootout between Cade Biffle and Walker here. Oh, yeah. Side by side versus side by side. Head to head shootout coming going down. You calling them out right now? Is that what's happening?
Yeah, it's going down.
All right, freak yeah. CFMOTO 950 versus Polaris XP 1000.
Actually, we need to do it at Doug's house because they just harvested that field. They got a
dude, the bean field. We came over there, we could drag race them, then bring out here, hit the sand section, and then get a little muddy in the pond. See how these things do.
Then you got standing across the lake.
Skim it out in the shallow end. There's not enough run up.
Charlie drove the four-wheeler through there. No, Patrick and them drove their Ranger.
Freak yeah. Let's do it.
You can go send it through the muddy section down there by the lake.
Let's go! Look at that berm. Oh yeah, hit it. Get us a little clip right here. All Dude. Dude, you can't. You can't
That
even.
thing is fine.
You can't even be mad about that.
You don't have
'Cause that's
17 inches of suspension travel, and you don't.
But
have
you can
100
modify
horsepower,
it
you
to.
got
You
90.
can modify it to do it though. You can't hate on them. As much as I want to hate on CFMOTOs, you can't do it. They're too good. They're too good. They're too good.
They just do it.
Look at them, freaking ripping, freaking ripping.
It's like buying a Z06 or a regular coupe, you know?
Yeah, they're basically.
Yeah, Z06 has a couple more horsepower and all the suspension stuff, but you can do the same thing.
Yeah, but you can literally modify it to turn it into that. Freak yeah, man. Does sound good. My bike's gonna be nasty.
Oh my gasket.
So got 89. That's pretty good.
We might need to detail this thing this weekend.
It's all you, coach.
The 125 is about to get lit.
Oh, freak.
Oh, she's
Look at
fully
all those bones.
torqued back there.
All right, let's go. Yeah, we might need to redo those straps.
All right. Peeing off the top rope while the pit bike races. No, I didn't. You're good. Oh, big wipeout. Oh no. Get up, gotta go, go. No. Yeah, I love it. I love it. All right, line them up. Dang, these brand new shoes, dog. Oh, hey. Dang, my shoes. All right, y'all come over here and line them up. Easy, dog. Ready? Hey, go! He's gonna get him.
Oh my.
No way, you got it. Let's go. He's throwing down. Oh, close the bird. Will makes it in. Oh, for sure, for sure.
That thing makes up so much in the corners.
If he could just get the power down. Look at him go, boys. He's fast. It's not slow either.
About 4 months ago, they did a
Nope, now they're experts.
Uh-oh.
Come on, Will! The limiter! Will it make a difference? Oh, laser down. That's a rip, boys.
Dude, you're fine. Get up.
Well, no, I definitely fine.
Oh, you're acting like you're hurt.
That's a F in the chat.
Yeah, Annie's the one that went off the corner. Yes, he did. Replay it. See it went off the Replay it. See it went off. Replay. See it went
The Coon Rider. Alright, get up here, let's hit it. Oh, beautiful.
Come out.
Ready, go! There's some racing going on today, boys. Closing up on him.
Will, I'm looking all over the hill and I can't find your ride. There you go, there you go.
They're going for it.
Drew's trying to get one down now.
Oh! Almost throws her down. Come on, Cruz! Whoa! She holds it wide open. Blows the burn, just holds it wide open. What is Keeper doing? Did he just juke Will out?
Whoa!
Holy crap.
You off your video on that.
They're cooning it out.
Throws it off into the hole.
What?
Why does he not have a helmet on?
I don't know. He's right there, just ask him.
Breathe a lot better without the helmet. Helps more oxygen get to the muscles, so you don't have to. So you're less likely to wreck because you can react a lot faster.
You know the rule, Maddox.
There's a rule. Rules are more like guidelines.
I swear to you, I'm not playing. I swear.
It's like in bowling. They have the lines, but you can bowl it outside of it.
I'm not playing with you. You think I'm playing? I'm not playing too. Girl, they look.
Alright, I'll put it up.
Trying to wash up. The man just said, I'm going to rip it one more time.
No, yeah.
Yoshimura Honda. Beautiful.
It felt mellow. Of course, I filled it up with the
Cows
regular pump gas.
all cleaned up.
But it just felt mellow, you know?
Beautiful.
With the race gas, it feels so, it's like it's alive.
Yeah.
Every